We start with the iconic Porsche 959 from Tamiya. Outstanding, but so fragile. Number 2, we dwell into the very small Kyosho DNano. It's a fraction bigger than a Hot Wheels. In third, another legendary car, an original team-associated RC10 Worlds car, based on the car who won the two-wheel drive World Championship in 1993. Number 4, an Indycar from Tamiya, the Lola T94 on AF103L chassis. In 5, the Kyosho Fantom, reissued not long ago. 1/12 scale, 4-wheel drive, chain drive transmission. Number 6, a sturdy XRAY T4 2020, who hopefully will do some races in 2024. Seventh spot, the Celica GT4 from Tamiya on a TA01 chassis. It is said that it was this chassis that started the touring car craziness. Number 8, the well-loved Kyosho ZX5, in Redeset condition. In 9, we have a Losi street weapon. An upgraded version of this car won the first 1/10 scale Touring Car World Championship in 1998. Number 10, an easy to recognize Tamiya, the Vanquish or VQS in this case. Eleventh spot. This famous car doesn't really need to be named, it's a Kyosho Javelin. And last, but not least, the first car to enter the collection back in the days, a quite rare Hirobo Alien Mid-4, from 1986. Happy New Year 2024!